Yo, good morning. Let me get a couple things set up. Hold on. I'm also having like a sneeze attack this morning. Live. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Guys, we are 70 subscribers away from 40K subscribers. That is crazy. I appreciate all of you. Anyways, let's see. Let me get a couple more things set up and then we are good to go for the day. But in the meantime, let me know how you guys did yesterday. Make money, lose money, take no trades. Let me know in the chat. Good morning. Let's see. Cool. It's been a slow week for me, honestly. What is today? Today's Wednesday. So I made money yesterday. Honestly, not too much. I took a losing trade in the morning and then took two personal trades later in the day, both on SPY. So ended green yesterday. It wasn't anything exciting. And then Monday I lost money. Really not that much money. So it's been a slow week so far. But I do really like the way the market is looking today. So hopefully we can catch a banger. And yeah, let's run it up today. I've been live streaming every day for the last, I would say, maybe year and a half, 2 years. It's been a long time since I started doing the live streams. Hey, $10. Good job. That's $10 you didn't have. Lost money for the first time in a while. I mean, that's a good thing. Losses happen. Let's see. The trades that I ended up taking yesterday. So pull up SPY real quick. I know I'm probably blinding people right now, but I want to start using white charts. In my opinion, it's just so much easier to see. But yesterday in the morning, we ended up trying a bull flag based off of the 3 minute. So let's see. Here's the 3 minute. And as it came back and touched that 3 minute 8 EMA, typically with bull flags, it likes to pull back to the 8 EMA and then it likes to push. So I like to get my entries based off of the 8 EMA. As it pulled back, we ended up getting into it. And then it tried to push up, came back down, tried to push up again, came back down. And I went back and I watched the recording because I record all of my trades. And I try to pick out, okay, what went wrong in this trade and what went right in this trade. So in this trade, what I noticed was as we continued to push up based on the 1 minute, every single push up in this bull flag was sold off and the level 2 looked very heavy to the downside. So what ended up happening was SPY ended up pulling back, hit the stop loss. So I was red based off of that trade. And then in the chat in Team Bull, my guy Dilson put there was a fib level. And honestly, I didn't even see this fib level. So I'm glad that he put it in the chat. But he showed me it was from, I believe, this low to this. No, it wasn't this one. Hold on. Where did he take it? Because it bounced right off of the 61.8. Let me see where he took it. I might have to go back and find the picture from yesterday. Oh, wait. I was taking the wrong day. There it is. So this low to this. Where's the opening high? Right there. So it came back, came down to that 387.08, and it did the exact fib roll that I look for. Now from there, it literally just straight exploded. I didn't hold the contracts long enough to get it all the way up into these highs right here. I really wish I did, or I would have had a fat payday. But as we can see, broke below that 61.8, reclaimed it, boom, got long, was able to catch this candle right here. Literally straight profit, no drawdown in this trade whatsoever. So if you guys do want to see that fib video, I have it's like 30 something minutes long, teaching you this exact strategy. So that was the next trade I took. And then the last trade that I ended up taking was a symmetrical triangle breakout, which was right here. And I just caught, or hold on. Where is this symmetrical triangle? That was later in the day. There was a different one that we had. Where'd it go? Yes, this was yesterday. Right here. So, boom, boom. As it broke above, caught this move right here and was out. So those were the 3 trades that I took yesterday. Anyways, so if you guys could real quick, make sure to click that like button. We have 210 people in here, 50 likes. Remember, if you guys want the watch list, we need to run it up to 200 likes and I will drop the watch list. And if you guys are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Super close to that 40K. But yes, I do send out my signals in Team Bull. Yes, I do. No. So Boeing gapped up off of that news. So no, I wouldn't be shorting the airlines. Anyways, as we can see, Boeing gapping up. That's why Boeing's even on this chart. I wanted to take a look. Good morning. But so what I'm going to be looking for. Hey, I'm glad you like the book. Good, good, good. No, I do not trade SPX. I do not. So the main levels that I am watching for SPY, we already hit that 50%, so that does not apply. Broke above that symmetrical triangle right there. 396.84 is still in play. And then we take the post-market high or pre-market high. Okay, so I do like 394.44 to 395. That's going to be my main reject for the day. Honestly, we're looking pretty bullish. I think they're going to push it up into that level. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. But if we can set a solid pre-market high, then start pulling back, then I can find another level for a potential bounce, but it just depends when we top out. Thank you guys for the subscribe. I appreciate it. Book number 2 will be TBA, to be announced. But yeah, depending where we top out in the pre-market, we could find an entry, break above pre-market highs, or a pullback, maybe a pullback to like 390 I'd be interested in. 390. Boom. Oh, and hold on. I need to get live for people on TikTok. I haven't been live on TikTok and it's been a minute. So I'll give them what they want. 1 second. And again, if you guys are just joining in, let me know how you did yesterday. Make money, lose money, take no trades. Let me know in the chat. Live. There we go. Good morning. Hold on, I'm still trying to get this set up. There we go. Now we're live. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Probably going to get a hater or two in about 5 minutes. Don't worry, I'll take care of them. Let's see. No trades yesterday. Got to see. Yup. A+ setups only. 1.2K. Good job. Okay, so if this were to be the pre-market high right here at 392.1, we can look for a bounce, taking this low, this pre-market low, to this high right here. If that were the case, I'd be interested at a bounce, maybe like 388.18 or 390. But if we break above 392.1, there's a good chance we push into 393.7, 394.44, and then 395. Let's get 395 up here. What's up, everybody on TikTok? How we doing? 384. I didn't see it at all, but it hit a few levels I marked. Nice, nice. Why'd you swing a put? Market looked too strong to swing puts. All right, so that's what I'm going to be watching on SPY as of now. I'll get the bing bong back, I promise. Again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. 200 likes so you guys get the watch list. Let's see, 274.3. Let's clean the chart because it looks like a disaster. So 275 is a big level. Yes, I was doing SPY. 275. Let's see. 2 days ago, the high was 275.29. Pre-market high 273.94. 274 is a pretty big level. We do have a 1 hour squeeze trading above the moving averages, so there is a good likelihood that this does fire up. And apparently, we're in a weekly squeeze. Ooh. Last time we saw a weekly squeeze was over here. And then the last time before that was way back here. So definitely keep that one on watch. Maybe we rally back into that 21 EMA. I would be pretty interested in swinging puts up here in between that 21 and 34 to play that weekly squeeze to the downside. But again, if that were to be the top in the pre-market, I'd be looking for bounces 270 to 270.5. Let's see, start breaking above that 275.29. We have room. Take this high to low, 280.27. Then 278.3. Cool. How we doing over here on TikTok? How's everybody doing today? Good morning. So real quick for the people on TikTok, if you did not know, I am also live on my YouTube channel sharing my screen right now. So if you want to actually see the screen better, head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, join the live stream. We got 274 people in here right now. So come tap in. Plus I have 950 free videos on my channel teaching you on how to trade. So if you're not subscribed, I don't know what to tell you, you're missing out. Let's see. What is my strategy? Again, I got a bunch of videos breaking it down. Plus, I talk about my entire strategy in my book, Day Trading and Swing Trading. 275.54. 276.24. And then we have bounces down there. Perfect. Let's get the messy chart up real quick. 1 hour, 4 hour, and then daily. Beautiful. First time on the channel, I like it. Yeah, read the book and drink a bunch of G Fuel. That's the secret to becoming a profitable trader. All right, let's get these SPY levels typed out. And again, I'm sorry, but I'm using white charts, so it might blind you guys a little bit. Put this on a 1 hour. Cool. And then again, I'll pull back to like 270, 270.5 to 270. Interested in a bounce. I will watch that 271 level. Hold on. Yeah, like 271.15, but ideally 270.5 to 270. Good morning, everybody. What is this? QQQ. Forming a 1 hour squeeze. It's because, so writing this second book, I'm not doing an ebook on the second book. I'm just doing a straight up book. And when I've been writing this book, I've noticed that just white charts in general, for me personally, it's so much easier to read the price action. That's why I switched it. So when I was writing this book, I was like, dang, like I'm seeing things a lot better, just white and black candlesticks, than I would with all of these colors right here. So yeah, that's why I made the switch. I like it. Forming a 1 hour squeeze, looking to fire up. If the pre-market high is at 273.94 and the market pulls back, I will be looking for a bounce. Oh, let me back the mic away from the keyboard. 273.94. I'll be looking for a bounce at 271.15. Higher probability bounce are at 270 to 270.5. Don't worry, we'll do SPY. We will get there. So real quick, we have 404 people in the YouTube live stream. If you guys could, real quick, make sure to click that like button. It would be... Just got flashbang. My bad. But yeah, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. 200 likes and you guys get the watch list in the chat. Also, make sure to subscribe. We are like 70 subscribers away from 40K. So it would be super dope if I could get that today. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah, so 273.94 is the top. I'm looking for bounces. Break above 274 because that's a pretty big level. Break above 274. I will look for calls. Price target equal 275, 275.29, 275.54, 276.24. We'll get to Tesla in a minute. Boom. Gonna flashbang everybody in the Discord too. I'm gonna probably get a lot of angry messages in the chat. Whoops, I'm typing ones instead of twos. There we go. 2. Bingo. All right, cool. And now SPY. Again, at 392.1 is the high. We're going to be looking for a pullback. Do you guys want me to do face cams in the morning? I mean, I can. Actually, let's do this. Boom. Let's see, what was I looking for that? Yeah, so pretty much in what is that, Monday's high, we could push up into, got a reject 394.44, 395. Main reject area is, I got two of them. But like three, I gotta redraw these. Too bright. This high to that low. Look for a reject. Okay. Only if I do thumbnail faces. I mean, sure. All right, cool. Here's my SPY levels. Let's see if we're squeezing on SPY. I can't even tell. No, we are not. We have a 15-minute squeeze on SPY. Which, I mean, isn't too big. All right. So, SPY. If 392.1 is the pre-market high, I will be looking for a bounce at 390 or 388 to 388.18. Break above 392.1 for calls. Price target equal. We already hit that 50%, so that's not valid. Price target equal 393.7, 394.44 to 395. And then, I mean, I doubt we see, yeah, 396.84. That's pretty far-fetched. I'm going to throw it in, but that's pretty far. Main reject. Cool. There's SPY. You guys are going to like the white charts. I'm telling you. I'll put it in the Discord too. White charts only. Alrighty, let's run through this, see what we like today. Are we at 200 likes? We're close. If you want to watch Apple above pre-market highs at 131.38, that doesn't look too bad. Again, I personally don't trade Apple. I would rather just trade SPY. But if you're a smaller account, 131 or 130, 132 is a good level to watch because it's yesterday's high and pre-market high. If we break above there, there's a good chance it continues to push. So if you want to watch Apple, feel free. AMD broke that flag yesterday, continuing to push. Not too interested. Maybe a bounce at like 67.8. Amazon. Actually, Amazon, I would like to see a bounce at 89.50. Let's watch Amazon. And then let's see. Boeing's gapping up. Depends if it can set a solid pre-market high and not trade above it. But I would be interested. 210.47. Possible breakout. And then Baba yesterday nuked again. Right into my price target. Honestly, not going to chase Baba anymore. Costco don't care about. Google don't care about. Meta. Look for a bounce. If it could trade down to like 129.5. What do we got? 131.22. So I like Meta, and then Microsoft got a 1 hour squeeze. $230.65, $231.31. Could get a little scalp there. Never mind. No Microsoft. Netflix went up to the monthly person's pivot. It looks like we're bull flagging. Maybe a bounce at like 323.50 to 322.8. I'd be interested in. And then again, make sure you guys are running up the likes. Once we hit that 200 likes, you guys will get the watch list. Nvidia don't really care about. Oxy don't care about. We looked at QQQ. We looked at SPY. And now we got Tesla. Which Tesla had news. I think they're opening a shop in Indonesia or something like that. A nice 60-cent scalp there. I mean, shoulder, head, like a mini shoulder. Maybe we dip down more. Yeah, we'll watch Tesla. Cool. And then, so for the person that asked in the TikTok live, Tesla, I'm watching it above 122.11. Take it into yesterday's high. Above there, we have more room. So, what two stocks do we want to watch? Hey, thank you, Benjamin. Yes, I don't say much usually, but guys, this dude is seriously making people incredible money. Seriously, hit the like button. It does a miracle for the host account. I appreciate you. Yeah, like an 89.50 bounce maybe for Amazon. I just think there's higher probability trades like Netflix and Tesla. I like those a lot. Take a look at Meta. I mean, maybe if Meta dipped down to like 129.5, I'd be interested. What is that, like a $2 drop? I mean, yeah, if the market pulls back, I'll watch it. Yes, sir. Live on the TikTok. Let's see. Meta. Interested in a potential bounce at 129.5 for calls. Boom. Is this picture not going to go through? I'm on Discord. There we go. All right, so there's Meta. And then Netflix is forming that 4-hour bull flag. So not a bad watch. I just don't know if I want to watch Netflix. If you guys want to watch it, you can. Might just be something I keep up on the side. But I definitely prefer Tesla over Netflix. There we go. There's 200 likes. Look at you guys. Crushing it. All right, so 122.11 breakout would be interested in calls. Depending on where the pre-market high is, I will be looking for a bounce using yesterday's low to pre-market high. If we start pulling back, person's pivot, say we got room. 126.68. Boom. We'll go back to SPY in a second. Hold on. I mean, yeah, Tesla's got room. Cool. Tesla it is. So overall today, I would like to see a continuation in the market if the market pulls. Very easy, gonna flip sides and then look for puts. Look for rejects. Tesla. Looking for a break above 122.11 for calls. Price target equal 122.76. 123.52, 124.50, 126.68. Boom, there's Tesla. And again, if you do want to watch Netflix, you can. There is that 4-hour bull flag. It's just I prefer Meta and Tesla over Netflix. So we got SPY, QQQ. Let me get the... There it is. SPY, so the break over 392.1, QQQ, break above 274. That was a pretty big level. Still holding some BKR and TJX swing. I was looking for Best Buy, but unfortunately that went without us. I was also watching MNST. Unfortunately, did not get a re-entry on that, and I do think the squeeze is going to fire down now because we are closing below that 21 EMA. So likely not an entry there. And then I am watching BP for a possible swing, depending on if oil can start picking up and we can see BP push through that trend line, take it back up to the highs right here. But yeah, that's everything I'm gonna be watching for today. Let me get you guys to watch this. If you guys are in Team Bull, go run up them reactions. What's the trade today? Watching 4 things today. SPY, QQQ, Meta, and Tesla. You keep liking the video. I appreciate you. Also, thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Looks like we're probably going to break these pre-market highs. Hopefully we don't. If so, then I'm going to be looking for a different bounce level, just taking that high of the fibs and figuring out where the pre-market high is. But so real quick before I drop the watch list, as always, none of this is a trading recommendation. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. If you guys want to complain about lost funds, go find GD_investments on Instagram and you can complain to him. I like throwing that in. There's QQQ. There's SPY. Here's Meta. And then Tesla. Boom. Now, what time is it? 8:50. So I'll hang around for a few more minutes, answer any questions you guys got. Also, if you guys did not know, I do have a 450-page book on Amazon titled The New Age of Technical Analysis. So if you guys do want to learn more about my day trading and swing trading strategy, all the indicators I use in a full, here, hold on. There it is. if you guys do want to learn more about my overall strategy, full breakdown, in-depth book, make sure to check out my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, on Amazon using this link right there. Boom. People on TikTok, whoops, 450 pages, The New Age of Technical Analysis. Make sure you guys check it out. It is a banger, and book number 2 is on the way. So make sure you guys check it out. But yeah, I'll answer any questions you guys got. Everybody on TikTok, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Make sure you guys are following. I'll be live 8:20, and peace out. Boom. TikTok done. There we go. ThinkorSwim is what I use. Do I have a bias towards CPI? No. I will say, however, remember when I made the video saying that inflation peaked, and literally it peaked exactly when I said it would? And some dude was arguing with me. I was arguing back, and we called the top of inflation. Yeah, that was pretty solid. When do I sleep? At like 9:30 every night. Yes, it is actually on the Kindle. I haven't seen anybody actually get it on the Kindle though, so I don't know. It should be up. If you want to join the Discord, okay, here, hold on. So if you want to join the Discord, trade live with me every single day. Trade with Jadon, trade with Grizzly, trade with GD. If my beacons page will ever load. Come on. I use very tight stop losses. That's why sniper entries are very, very important. Real quick, if you do want to join the Discord, make sure to use this beacons link right here. But yeah, I'm always finding sniper entries, so my stop loss is very, very small. The trade that I ended up taking on Monday, today's Wednesday, so yeah, Monday, lost $13 to $14 per contract on a SPY contract. You know how small of a stop loss that is? All comes down to sniper entries. People are not liking the white charts. I feel attacked. Fine, you guys get color charts from now on. Jeez. What other questions we got before I hop off? Go get the G Fuel on my system, ready to crank it out today, ready to make the money. Of course, SPY's gonna break. You suck. Part of the TTM squeeze, bro. It lets you know which way the squeeze is gonna try to fire. So, ES. Let's find the reject level on ES. Give you guys a normal color chart for this one. For 4,000 and then 4030. ES rejects at 4,000 and 4030.45. I mean, honestly, the white charts, like I said, it's just easier for me to read the price action. Boom. Let's see. How old am I? 24. 24 in November. I'm still a baby. New levels for SPY since it broke 392.1. Honestly, it just depends on when we top out. So if this were to be the pre-market high at 392.23, all I would simply do is take the end of this fib, draw it right up there, and then I'd be looking for the new bounce. But it depends when we end up topping out. So everything else to the upside, though, still valid. The only thing that's going to change is going to be the bounces and where pre-market high ends up being. So I always go at the money. Thank you. No promo codes. No. Thank you. I appreciate it, Joseph. Let's see. Anything else? How many contracts do I buy usually? Honestly, every single trade is different. There's no like set amount. It's not like I tell myself, okay, 10 contracts every single trade. It just depends. How much are the contracts? Where's my stop? What am I even trading? How high probability is the setup? And the list just goes on. And I take that into consideration when choosing my contracts. Of course. Anyways, so I'm gonna hop off, get some G Fuel, get ready for the day, ready to make this money. So if you guys are in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10, 20 minutes. Exactly. Small losses, big wins. That's the name of the game. I'll get stopped out 3, 4, 5 times in a row for a small loss. But that one trade that I milk out the profits, I'm going to make all those losses back plus much more. But yeah, that's the name of the game. Anyways, so everybody have an amazing day. Let's run it up. Let's make the money. And if you guys are in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10, 20 minutes. Everybody have an amazing day. And